Hello and welcome back. We've been on this incredible journey together, right? All the way from the tiniest atom to the very edge of the cosmos. And now, well, we're here at the end of that journey. This is the moment where everything we've talked about, all those forces, all those particles, it all clicks together to show us the true wonder of physics. And just like that, we've made it to our final explainer. This is part 20 of our 20-part series. I have to say, it has been an absolute privilege exploring the rules of the universe with you. So from me to you, thank you, seriously, for joining me on this wild ride.
So, before we look ahead, let's just take a beat and look back at how far we've come. I mean, think about it. Our journey has stretched from the impossibly tiny world of subatomic particles all the way up to the mind-bending scale of the entire universe.
Remember this guy? It all started right here, at the very heart of, well, everything. We kick things off with the atom, that fundamental unit that every single thing you can see or touch is built from.
And from those tiny building blocks, man, we just zoomed out, didn't we? We got into the elegant laws of motion and the conservation of energy. We explored the world of waves, the sound you're hearing right now, and the light that lets you see. We figured out how electricity and magnetism are really just two sides of the same incredible coin. And of course, we wrestled with gravity, the universal force that shapes the whole shebang. It has been quite the tour.
But here's the thing. Learning all these topics one by one is only half the story. The real magic, that big aha moment in physics, it happens when you start to see how it all connects. So after all that, we've got to ask the big one. We've learned the rules of the game, but what does it all mean?
And the answer, well, that's what makes physics so incredibly cool. It's not just a big collection of random facts. It's about discovering this hidden unity. Physics shows us that things we experience as totally separate, like a beam of light, a simple magnet, or a bolt of lightning, are actually all just different faces of the same fundamental force.
The real beauty here isn't just knowing what gravity is. It's seeing how that one idea connects the planets in their orbits, the tides in our oceans, and even the very fabric of space-time itself. It's one massive, interconnected system. And that's just beautiful.
Now, you'd be forgiven for thinking that after all these centuries, we've probably got it all figured out. But the truth is, what we've learned has really just shown us how much we don't know. We are just now getting to the unwritten chapters of science.
We're standing at the edge of some absolutely incredible frontiers. You've got the super weird rules of quantum mechanics that govern a world that just makes no sense to our everyday brains. And then, on the biggest scale imaginable, we're faced with this staggering reality. Most of our universe is made of stuff we call dark matter and dark energy, and we have basically no idea what they are. And that's the wonderful paradox of physics, isn't it? Every time we find an answer, it just opens up bigger, deeper, more amazing questions. It's a clear sign that this adventure is far from over. In a lot of ways, it's really just getting started. And this is the most important part of all. This whole adventure is an open invitation. Physics isn't just for scientists in white lab coats. It belongs to anyone who looks up at the sky or down at a puddle and just asks, why? You have to let this sink in. All those huge names, Newton, Einstein, Maxwell, they wrote absolutely incredible chapters in the story of our universe. But the book isn't finished, not even close. The next huge insight, the next totally revolutionary discovery, it could come from anyone who is just curious enough to ask a new question. It could come from you.
So, as we wrap up this series, just remember this simple toolkit. That's all you need. Step 1, it all starts with curiosity, that simple act of just wondering about things. Step 2, start looking for the connections, how one idea plugs into another. And finally, step 3, just keep exploring. This universe is packed with mysteries, just waiting for someone to solve them.
Because in the end, that's what this whole journey has really been about. Physics is not some boring list of equations you have to memorize for a test. It's the instruction manual for reality itself. It's the story of how our universe works. Thank you so much for taking this journey with me, and please, never, ever stop being curious.